In school, he barely spoke. At work, he stayed quiet. In groups, he felt invisible. But there was one place where that feeling disappeared: the gym. Not because he was strong, not because he looked impressive, but because inside the gym, he felt like he belonged somewhere. Most people never knew how insecure he actually felt. He smiled around people, acted normal, but internally, confidence was something he struggled with every day. He constantly compared himself to others, felt behind in life, unsure about his future. The gym started small, just trying something different. At first, he felt uncomfortable there too, but over time, something changed. Every workout became progress. Every improvement felt earned. And for the first time in a long time, he started believing in himself a little more. The biggest transformation wasn't physical, it was mental. The gym taught him discipline, consistency, patience, and confidence. It became the one environment where he didn't feel judged. And eventually, he realized something. Helping other people feel this same confidence felt meaningful. That thought changed everything, because now fitness wasn't just helping him, it could help other people too. But he also realized something important. Being passionate about fitness is different from being qualified to guide others. That requires education. That realization eventually brought him to National Personal Training Institute, Florida. And for the first time, fitness started feeling like a real future. Not random workouts, not internet advice, real structured learning. He studied anatomy, physiology, program design, injury prevention, client communication, and slowly, confidence became competence. The same person who once felt invisible was now guiding clients, communicating confidently, helping people improve their health and confidence. And the most powerful part? He realized growth is possible for anyone. Sometimes confidence doesn't come naturally. Sometimes it's built slowly, through struggle, consistency, and growth. And for many people, fitness becomes more than exercise. It becomes the place where they finally start believing in themselves. If fitness has ever been the one place where you feel focused, motivated, or confident, maybe there's a reason for that. Because sometimes the thing that changes your life starts as something very simple.